So Weavers just dropped the full announcement for BTS The City Arirang in Busan. And pag-uusapan natin ngayon yun. Dahil alam nyo naman, ayaw kong nahihirapan kayo na basahin ang lengthy Weavers notice. That's why your Oma is here to simplify things. So para sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, I'm your Oma Yel, your 30s army mom who loves BTS and K-pop in general and will be hosting her first ever companion tour in Busan this June 9 to June 11 and in Seoul this coming June 15. So pag-usapan nga natin ang latest drop ng notice ni Weavers about BTS The City Arirang in Busan. And honestly, this is why I kept telling people sa mga nakaraang videos ko na don't make your trip to Busan quick and so short. Because apparently, the whole entire city of Busan is becoming BTS theme. Nakikita niyo yan? Sobrang daming guys. So lahat yan mangyayari in Busan. And hindi lang yon. Ito pa guys. Ayan pa. Ganyan siya kadami. 2 pages siya ng mga events and places that you could visit na full of Arirang theme venue in Busan. So, kung pupunta kayo ng Busan, hindi lang siya concert. Meron siyang festa, meron siyang Arirang the City, at meron siyang concert. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakasecure dyan ng mismong concert, fret no more. Dahil meron namang Arirang BTS the City in Busan, and meron pa namang festa. And kung gusto nyong sumali sa tour ko, meron pang companion tour na BTS themed din. And you can also win a BTS Army Bomb Lightstick sealed sa giveaway ng lahat ng joiners ng tour ko. So anyway, back to programming. Para sa mga magtatanong, ano nga ba ang meron sa BTS The City Arirang? So, meron siyang drone light shows, BTS pop-up stores, army zones, theme cafes, beach events, media art walls, stamp rallies, yacht tour, and photowism. So, ayan, makikita na nyo, may stamp rallies, may mga offline promotion, ayan, mga stamp rallies, may mga pop-ups, merong tour bus, may mga drone shows and offline activities, stamp rallies, lahat yan, ayan. And then may photowism, which is a photo booth na Arirang inspired or BTS inspired, and all that. And ito yung maganda ha. Most of it or some activities are happening before, during, and after the concert days. So even if wala ka sa concert or hindi ka nakasecure ng concert, madami ka pa din talagang magagawa as an army. And for those baby armies na manonood nito and mag-a-ask, oh Mayel, ano ba ang BTS The City? So let me simplify this for you. BTS The City in Busan is basically HYBE turning the city into one giant BTS experience. So instead of concert venue lang, the whole city will feels like a concert venue or a festa experience. Like imagine nyo to, watching a BTS drone show near Guangan Bridge or going to Army Madang where there are